Hey everyone, so this is just the summary of chapter 14. If you are not if you are not it's not like a comprehensive summary, but it is like the main introduction. I think it will give you a lot of confidence if you try to understand the chapter 14 yourself. But I've also attached some other videos from YouTube. If you're not comfortable with my video, with my accent or whatever, you can just go and watch yourself as well. But this chapter 14, this is the summary of it. And also, let me show you here in Excel what I did for chapter 14. Let me just go step by step so you can see what's going on there, guys. So first is that I have the wind speed statistics. I plotted a curve for it. The data is here. You can see frequency, how often it happens for each wind speed. And then for this wind speed, I did a calculation for the wind turbine. I have a wind turbine with some efficiency and the formula also there. I showed the formula. And then for that wind turbine, I plotted it. And then I added a curve fit. Curve fit means a trend line. So which function fits the best for this data? I did that one. And then I added one more thing here, is that for real case, what happens in reality? Because in reality, the wind turbine power doesn't increase in this way. It can go up to infinity, In reality, wind turbine power is like, let me just show you here. In reality, we don't, in reality, we start running the wind turbine at some speed, and then there is some transition because wind turbine tries to adjust it, and then it runs at constant speed. It's not like the speed the wind turbine power, the power doesn't run up and down. It goes at a constant power. And then if you reach a speed that is very high, the wind turbine then breaks, because otherwise we are trying to be on the safe side. So this is, if I used here logical statement, if logical statement I used. How to use if logical statements, you have to watch this video. And then I talked about the matrix operations in Excel. How do you multiply to matrix? How do you take the inverse of matrix? Then I talked about the pivot table. If you have a data, how do you summarize your data in a very good and clean way? And the last thing is that I showed the VBA, the developer part of the Excel. The VBA is Visual Basic, and also some people call it as macros. That it shows behind the scenes, what happens behind the scenes. In reality, behind the scenes, how do you write the formula for Excel? That is VBA. I just covered a very, very simple example. Okay, guys, this is just a summary for this chapter, and then you can watch. And then if you have any questions, just let me know. But make sure that you understand the concepts, otherwise the homework will be tough for you. Thanks very much. Have a good weekend.